When you receive a new order, a notification will pop up on your seller dashboard. You can view all the key details, including the buyer's name, the items ordered, and any special instructions they have added. Next, select the preparation time based on how long it will take to prepare the order. Click on Accept to confirm the order. The order can be pickup or delivery order. For delivery orders, you can choose how you would like the order to be delivered. Select self-delivery if you will deliver the order yourself, or choose TrueShop Delivery and let our delivery team handle it for you. If you need to reject an order, tap on the Reject button. Then tap Reject again to confirm. Next, select the appropriate reason for the rejection from the list and complete the process. Whether you accept or reject an order, the buyer will be notified automatically through the app. To view all your orders, tap on the Orders icon in your seller dashboard. On the Orders page, you will find all your new orders under the New Orders tab. You can accept or reject an order from here as well, in the same manner as discussed before. For self-delivery orders, once accepted, you will find them under the Pending Orders tab. When your order preparation is complete, tap Mark as Ready to update the status. You will now see an OTP code. This needs to be shared with the buyer at the time of delivery to ensure the order reaches the right person. Once the delivery is successfully completed, simply tap Mark as Complete to close the order from your side. For TrueShop Delivery order, once an order is accepted, it moves to the Pending Orders tab. Tap on any order to see the complete details, including the item list, buyer information, delivery address, and the billing amount. Here you can track the order status, print the invoice, and view the OTP that needs to be shared with the delivery agent. For pickup orders, once you accept the order, tap Mark as Ready when the preparation is complete. This will notify the buyer that their order is ready for pickup. An OTP code will be shown. Share this code with the buyer to verify and ensure the correct handover. After the buyer picks up the order, simply tap Mark as Complete to finish the process.